Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Libra Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Libra Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 11th house. 11th house will be your gains, your elder siblings seen from 11th house, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your gains in life is also seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house Lord is moving in your 11th house, so we can expect positive result for you people in the month of September regarding your gains related matter, regarding your elder siblings related matter, regarding your friend circle, your professional network circle. You may have some gains related to money in the month of September as well before 17th of September, because Sun will stay in your 11th house till 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your 12th house in the sign of Virgo, where Mars is already moving. So after 17th of September, you need to be careful. Be careful regarding your losses, regarding your expenses, because 12th house deal with your expenses and losses, or also your 7th house Lord and 2nd house Lord means your savings Lord is also moving in your 12th house. So you need to be take care of your money related matter, regarding your expenditure, regarding your losses in the month of September after 17th of September. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of September for all the Libra Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 12th house and your 9th house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your 11th house in its retrograde motion. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your long-term investment, your privacy, your private setting, your sleep pattern, your dreams is also seen from 12th house. 9th house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from 9th house. Your teachers, your mentor, your advisor, your lawyer is seen from 9th of your postgrad education, and your higher education is also seen from 9th of your religious matter, and your pilgrimage is also seen from 9th house. So right now your 9th house Lord is also moving in your 11th. Right now Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion till 15th of September. So as we discussed previously in some sections, you may have to gain related to money in the month of September, especially till 15th of September, till Mercury is moving in retrograde motion in your 11th house, because Mercury controls your 9th house, and 9th house also deals with your luck related matter, your fortune related matter. Mercury also controls your 12th house, and right now 12th house Lord is moving in your 11th house with your 11th house Lord. So we can expect till 17th of September you may have some gain from foreign land, and you may have some good result regarding your foreign settlement related matter. And if your elder brother and sibling living there, then we can also expect good result for them in the month of September. So we can expect these results for all the Libra Ascendant people from Mercury. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Venus controls your 1st house and your 8th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Cancer. Venus is also right now moving in its retrograde motion till 3rd September 2023. After 3rd September, Venus will come back to its direct motion in your 10th house. 1st house will be you, your personality seen from 1st house. All the aspects of your life is seen from 1st house. Your general health, your general personality, your general physique is also seen from 1st house, and health pattern. Your general health pattern is also seen from 1st house, but disease is also seen from 6th house. So right now your 1st house Lord and your 8th house Lord is moving in your 10th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your work related matter, because 10th house will be your work environment. Your fame is seen from 10th house. Your how far you can go in your career is seen from 10th house. Your authority at your work is seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house Lord is occupied by 8th house Lord and your 1st house Lord. So we can expect you will have some gains and good result regarding your work related matter in the month of September after 3rd September 2000, especially after 3rd September 2023, when Venus will turn into its direct motion, because Venus controls your sudden event, because 8th house will be sudden event, sudden positive event is also seen from 8th house, sudden negative event is also seen from 8th house. But right now Moon is moving in your 8th house in its exalted position, means Moon is right now moving in Taurus sign, and Taurus sign considered as very good position for Moon. And your 8th house Lord is moving in your 10th house, also controls your 1st house. So we can expect positive result in the month of September regarding your career related matter, regarding your respect, regarding your authority at your workplace. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of September for all the Libra Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Moon controls your 10th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Taurus in its exalted position. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September we are predicting for whole month, because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving at 6th, 8th and 12th house in transit during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these houses, and moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing that moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house during transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. During these days, we can also expect we may have some issues, problems, difficulties in our life. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Mars controls your second house and your seventh house. And right now, Mars is moving in your 12th house. As we discussed previously in some section, Mars is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Virgo. Seventh house deals with your marriage, your spouse is in from seventh house, your business partnership, your partnership in general is also seen from your business related matter. Your partnership in general, your commitment is seen from seventh house. Your spouse is seen from seventh house. Your relationships in general is also seen from 11th house. Second house deals with your family lineage is seen from second house. Your speech, your food intake habit, and your wealth and savings is also seen from your second house. So right now your second house lord and your seventh house lord is moving in your 12th house. So we can expect you may have to be careful regarding your expenditure in the month of September, especially after 17th of September when sun will move to your 12th house, because your house of money, house of saving is moving in the house of law and house of expenditure. We can expect you can spend a lot in the month of September regarding your second house related matter. Mars also controls your seventh house, and seventh house is right now occupied by Jupiter and Mars. So Mars is taking Rahu and Jupiter's energy in your 12th house. So we can expect you may have to deal with some of your marriage related matter and your disturbance in your marriage in the month of September, especially after 17th of September, because Mars is generally represent anger and now moving in the house of loss. And also sun will join Mars in after 17th of September, and sun also represent ego. So you need to take care of your marriage related matter in the month of September, because Rahu is moving in your 7th house. Rahu will create some disturbance in your relationship in the month of September, especially after 17th of September. So you need to take care of these matters in the month of September. We can expect these results from all the planets for all the Libra Ascendant people in the month of September. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of September. First of all, as we discussed previously, sun will move from your 11th house to 12th house on 17th September in the sign of Virgo. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in its retrograde motion in your 10th house and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Third and most important astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your 7th house and about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023. Fourth and last major astrological event is that, as we discussed previously, Mercury is right now moving in your 11th house with Sun in the sign of Leo, and right now Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 15th September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, we have described the results of these planets in our yearly prediction videos in detail. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my yearly prediction video and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.